$2,800 for boost? Are you kidding me? What's up, Mopar family? So today I wanted to talk about torqstorm superchargers. Some of you guys may have heard about them already, some of you may have not. But I have been paying attention to these guys quite a bit lately, and quite frankly, I'm getting pretty impressed. So they build a billet centrifugal supercharger that is basically the same thing as a ProCharger or a Vortec or a Paxton or a RIP, so forth. Basically, it's a centrifugal supercharger that they build. They make every part for it themselves in their own shop in the USA. And you can go to their website and pretty much buy any kit, any single kit for any make of Mopar, Ford, Chevy, whatever, and they're all about $2,800 to about $3,000 for a single centrifugal supercharger. That is badass. Their blow-off valve sounds amazing. Like I said, it's all built here in the USA, and they're doing big things. They have come a long way since they have started. They also make twin kits for pretty much everything out there. You can get a twin centrifugal supercharger kit from them for the price of one ProCharger kit, which is crazy. I think their twin supercharger kits are like $6,000 or $7,000, something like that, for two, count them, two superchargers.
If there's one thing that every high-performance enthusiast wants, it's more power. And there's an easy way to get that. With a product from torqstorm, they make superchargers and do a great job at it. I'm with Scott from torqstorm. You guys have a heck of a line of products. Let's start with an education.
Okay.
What's the difference between a turbocharger and a supercharger? I get that question all the time because of the road tour car.
Turbocharger is driven off the exhaust. Supercharger is driven off the belt, off the motor.
Now this is Like one is not enough. You've got two of them on here.
Yep.
This is a twin supercharger kit for.
This is an LS kit right here.
This is an LS kit,
Yep.
very popular.
Yeah, very popular. And having a twin kit is obviously more is better in power. So we are the only people that, right as of now, offering a twin kit for a supercharger kit.
So what we're looking at, we'll use this as an example. This comes with your kit, the pulleys.
The pulleys, all the pulleys, everything you need to basically run the supercharger. The tubing, the blow-off valves, the hat, the supercharger, the tensioner, and the belt.
But what about a warranty?
We have a limited lifetime warranty on the head unit itself. So you can check the website for everything that's in the warranty, but we stand behind our product.
Well, good. That's what people are looking for. And the other thing they like to know is made in USA, right?
Made in the USA. Everything we do right in Grand Rapids, Michigan.
Scott, with all the things that are going on here with the billet and the pulleys and all this stuff, it's got to be pricey. It's got to be expensive.
It's not. This whole twin kit is under $7,000.
Amazing. torqstorm.com. Look us up on the web, and thank you very much for all your information. More power to you, so to speak.
Thanks.
That's badass. But anywho, so the basic kit you pretty much get for just under $3,000. You get the bracket, the pulleys, the hardware, the supercharger head unit, the blow-off valve. And these kits are designed, they're kind of like a tuner kit. They're designed for you to initially run hot air and run it like on water meth, like a water methanol injection kit. Now you can do an intercooler or so forth. That'd be your own money, putting on whatever intercooler you want to put on or make for your build. But the bottom line is you can get boost, you can get the supercharger, the main components to bolt onto your engine for $3,000 or less. And then the extra accessories like the intercooler, piping, or whatever, if you don't want to run water meth and you want to do an intercooler, then that would be additional out of your pocket, and I'd figure, by the time if you spend good money on a nice intercooler and piping, I don't know, you might have another $1,000 in there. So, less than $4,000 and you're boosted. These things make great power. They sound amazing. Awesome. You get them in the natural billet finish, polished or black, and they're badass. Pretty much made my mind up that if I ever go boost and I go a centrifugal route, it's going to be with a torqstorm. No questions asked. It's going to be with a torqstorm. I like the way they sound over some of the other ones, and their blow-off valve is absolutely amazing. I know there's a lot of companies that make blow-off valves, but theirs sounds so good. Check it out again. They did come out with a kit for the 4th gen Rams just recently, not very long ago. They released it and they put it on a stock Ram, basically a bone stock Ram, and all they did was upgrade the fuel system with injectors and do a basic tune. It's got not a lot of boost on it, very low boost. I think it was only around 5.5 pounds of boost or something like that. And yeah, I mean, here's the dyno for it right here. Not bad for not much mods on that truck, and for, you know, a low boost build. So you can't argue with the money, that's for sure. But yeah, they're pretty badass. It's a centrifugal, so you do have that, you know, that gear kind of noise to it. But their blow-off valve, it sounds like a turbo. It's almost like the best of both worlds. It's a supercharger noise mixed with like a turbo blow-off noise. It's crazy. They sound awesome. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Like always, guys, I try to find, you know, anything Mopar related. If new things are coming out for the Mopar world, I want to definitely let you guys know. And that was just another cool product for us Mopar guys. You know, if you're looking for boost, it's hard to beat the bang for the dollar with the torqstorm. So as always, guys, stay safe out there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button for the notifications, and